see the elk right here?
Well, that's why they do it. So they don't hang out. You think that's cool, Amelia?
Oh, look at that. What kind of deer is that? That's a moose.
Elk.
Oh. Where's the antlers?
That's probably a girl one.
Oh, look at the elk.
I see it.
Elk incoming. No, watch out.
Caribou!
Caribou. What's in its chest?
Can you imagine, like,
I see that too.
hitting one of those things, man?
Oh, that one's ramming us.
Oh, jeez! Oh, jeez!
Hi there.
It's fine. It's fine.
Oh,
Oh, boy.
no,
boy,
no,
boy.
no,
Like,
no, no. You're not, we're not to the red post yet. We're not to the red post yet, sir. Back up, we'll get to the red post. Don't roll the window down farther.
Okay, I was gonna
Come on. Come on, we're not to the red post yet. We're not
Take
to the
out,
red
take
post.
that.
Go! It's biting me, Michelle. Like, go.
Ah, drive. Who cares?
God, man. Like, it's bit me. It's not funny.
Roll up the window.
Like, it literally bit my arm. Come on, let's go.
Mama, stop.
You think that's funny? Like,
We can't go. There's a deer in front of us.
We're stuck.
what? It literally bit me.
It did
And you
hurt.
think it's funny?
I saw it, but you. It looked
Did you
painful.
see it?
What?
Look at my arm.
Oh yeah, I saw it.
I mean, it really bit me.
Stop.
I know, I saw
That
it.
one.
Come on, let's go.
Stop.
I
That
can't.
one that bit you.
I can't even move.
That one that bit you is behind us, Rob.
Rob, it's like.
It's like standing behind us. He's saying.
Oh, boy.
Oh dear.
I know, they're surrounding us.
You can't. You shouldn't honk your horn either. They have.
No, they say not to honk your horn, but they're all going because that car over there is speeding them. Look at them.
No!
They're all going.
No. It's because.
Oh,
Hey, go.
I thought that guy was
Look, the guy's chasing the buffalo.
Yes, look at him. He's chasing the buffalo. Oh my God, why is he doing that?
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Mom, he's not gonna hit it. Don't even dare roll your window down.
Your friend's back, Rob.
It's a different one.
How do you know?
Because
Did not get me.
this one's smaller.
But,
Its mouth is smaller.
Did that hurt?
I mean, no, I mean, he just nipped me, but he had, like, his whole mouth was around my arm. And then he, like, lip squeezed my arm. Like,
Whoa, look that one over there, Jake.
Mom, it's running. It's running at us.
okay.
we can feed.
We can feed
Stop
now.
the car.
Just throw it out the window, Rob. Don't even believe it.
Oh, you're such a bully. You're such a bully.
Just.
We're not feeding you no more. We're trying to be nice. Man.
Dude, those elk are crazy.
Mom, you should stop. What about this deer, though?